There is a feature in the Android security, and that is called Android screen pinning feature. If you do not have any idea what is the purpose of this feature, this video is about that. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use the screen pinning on Android. So sometimes your friend or a colleague or maybe your relative may ask you to give him or her a phone so that he can make a call or maybe search for a particular site or watch a YouTube video. So because of the obvious reason and privacy issues, you may not like to give him the phone because he may scroll through your images or your call log. So this screen pinning feature is a solution to that. So before giving him the phone, you can ask him that what app he wants to use. Let's say if he says he wants to watch a video on the YouTube, you need to just open the YouTube and then exit out and then go to the settings, and in the settings you need to go to the security and privacy. In the security and privacy you need to click the more button, and then you need to come down, and here you will see the screen pinning. By default this screen pinning remains off. You need to select the screen pinning on. Now once you will pin the YouTube app and hand over the phone to him, your friend will not be able to access anything on your mobile. But for that you need to keep this pin code on. Right now in my mobile there is no password or a pin, so that is not the proper solution. However, you can if your mobile already has a password or a pin, once you will unpin that app, it will ask for a password. So for the sake of this tutorial I'm not using any password, but I hope you get the idea. So once switching on the screen pinning, you need to just exit the settings and then go to the apps, recent apps, and then you need to let's say if it was a YouTube your friend wants to access, just press this icon screen pinning, and now you will get the message that this keeps the screen in view until you unpin it. Touch and hold back to unpin. Now you can without any fear you can give your phone to your friend or a colleague, because he will not be able to access anything other than the YouTube or the particular app he wanted to use on your mobile. So once your friend is done and he has handed back the phone to you, you can just unpin the app and access the whole mobile. Press anywhere on the screen and press the back button. So this way you can unpin the screen. But if you have a password enabled, once you will unpin, the phone will ask you for a password or a pin. So you need to enter the password and the pin and your screen will be unpinned. So this is a good feature available in the Android which can protect your security. So do use it once it is required. This channel is about the tutorials on Android, Windows, and the website, etc. So if you're interested, consider subscribing, and don't forget to like and share this video.